Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the HFT Fast M1 Gold Scalper EA for MT4 and MT5, and this is one of the more premium priced expert advisors currently on the MQL5 Marketplace. At the time of recording, the EA is listed at $900 to buy with a 1 month rental option available as well, going for $699 per month. Right away on the marketplace page, the developer describes this as version 10.3 of the EA, updated in November 2025 with a strong focus on AI driven decision making and high frequency trading functionality. The EA is designed not only for XAUUSD on the M1 timeframe, but also supports BTCUSD and ETHUSD. As I go through the description here, the developer explains that the system combines multiple AI models together using a voting structure where trade decisions can require majority agreement, custom confidence levels, or even unanimous confirmation before execution. Moving further into the features section, one thing that stands out is the amount of customization available for trade management. The EA includes multiple stop loss and take profit modes, including percentage-based settings, fixed pip targets, ATR swing logic, and AI-generated recommendations. There is also a volatility filter using ATR and Bollinger Bands to help block trades during extremely low or excessively volatile conditions. Alongside that, the EA includes spread filtering, dynamic lot sizing modes, trading session controls, global profit and loss protection, and a configurable news filter that can pause trading around high impact events. The marketplace page also clearly mentions that the recovery system is optional and intended for advanced users, particularly for crypto trading environments. Now, one important detail here is that the developer specifically states that traditional backtesting is not supported because the EA relies on live AI interaction. So instead of reviewing historical strategy tester reports, this review is really more about understanding the structure, features, and intended behavior of the system based on the marketplace information provided. All right. But let's just go to the strategy tester and, test the HFT Fast M1 Gold Scalper on gold on the M1 time frame. Okay, so we're going to just head over to the strategy tester right now. All right. So let's select the HFT Fast M1 Gold Scalper XAUUSD M1 time frame, and we are going to be testing from the beginning of the year till date so that we can get substantial data, data coverage, right, for the back testing. And then the delays, we'll just use the last ping to the server, and let us begin the test right away. All right. So as I review the chart examples and overall setup, looking at the trade history that we have here, the EA appears designed for fast execution environments with heavy emphasis on adaptability and filtering, right? So since this is operating on lower time frames like M1 and includes high frequency behavior, broker execution quality, spreads, latency, VPS performance, and market volatility can all significantly affect how the EA behaves in real conditions. The developer also recommends raw or ECN accounts only and specifically notes that commission-free crypto trading environments are preferred for BTCUSD and ETHUSD because of the already elevated spreads on those assets. But in this our example, this is the gold asset that we backtested on, and we can see that as expected based on information provided on the marketplace, this is actually a high frequency, expert advice. So we can see how multiple trades we are being taken back to back, right? Executed and closed, executed and closed, executed and closed, and so on and so forth. Back to back trades we are being taken. Indeed, a high frequency trading algorithm. Now let's just quickly go to the results. Well, the results is below expectations because we can see that from an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars, there was a total net profit of negative $1,366.52. All right, and then wow, there were over 54,000 total trades taken, and no short trades at all. So the entire 54,123 trades taken were long trades. That tells me that the EA is trading in the direction of the trend, right? Because gold had been trending upward, right? The trend is bullish. So the EA, was executing trades in the bullish direction, right? So that's why all the trades taken were long trades, and the win rate is low, just 37.72%. All right. And then we can see that the largest profit trade was $100.69, and the largest losing trade was $82.87. Okay. The average profit trade was 4.98, while the average losing trade was 3.05. So the risk to reward ratio is not that bad, just close to 1:1, or maybe close to 1:1.5 thereabouts, but the win rate is very low. And when you have a risk to reward ratio that is not good enough, and you still combine that with a low win rate, of course you will be expecting to have a net loss, right? So in this case, we had a combination of low win rate and not so good risk to reward ratio, and we ended up, the EA resulted in, or rather the result of the back test is giving us a total net profit in the negative, right? But remember that these are just historical back test results. Okay. It does not guarantee future performance. All right. Overall, the HFT Fast M1 Gold Scalper EA is positioned as an advanced AI integrated trading system with extensive filtering, dynamic risk controls, and multi-market support across gold and crypto instruments. But as always, even with advanced automation and AI-based functionality, live results can still vary heavily depending on broker conditions, spreads, slippage, optimization choices, and overall market behavior. So before considering live deployment, I'd strongly recommend spending time testing everything carefully in a demo environment first and reviewing how the EA performs under your own trading conditions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.